This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Galaxy with an Xbox controller. First, ensure your Xbox controller is connected to your computer, either via a USB cable or Bluetooth. Next, you'll need to install the Dolphin emulator, which is essential for running Wii games on your PC. Finally, acquire the Super Mario Galaxy ROM file from a reliable source to begin your adventure. Once Dolphin emulator is installed, open it and go to the controller's settings. Here, select Standard Controller for Wii Remote 1, then click Configure. You'll then map your Xbox controller's buttons to mimic the Wii Remote's actions. This includes assigning movement, jumping, and spin attacks to your preferred Xbox buttons for seamless gameplay. To enhance your gaming experience, adjust Dolphin's graphics settings. You can increase the internal resolution for sharper visuals or enable anti-aliasing for smoother edges. Also, experiment with controller sensitivity to find what feels best for you. Some players prefer a higher sensitivity for quick turns, while others like a lower setting for more precise platforming. If you encounter any issues, first re-verify your button mappings within Dolphin's controller settings. Sometimes a small misconfiguration can cause unexpected behavior. Also, confirm your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the Dolphin emulator to ensure smooth performance. For more tips and to check out the Oala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated, please see the links and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.